This is 6 Healing Sounds, long version. Let's begin. Shaking the tree. Get some sounds in here. Shaking out the legs. Shaking out the arms. Shaking out the body. Moving into the first healing sound, lungs, colors white. Let's go. Inhale up, fill your body with white. Release. Keeping the eyes open throughout. Inhale up. And release. This time, releasing any sadness. Releasing any sadness from your body. Inhale. Release. Again, releasing sadness. Always keeping the eyes open as you release. Let go. Last two, releasing any grief. Inhale up. Let go. And last one, releasing disappointment. Inhale. Filling the body with white. Letting go. Crossing the arms, smiling to the lungs. Filling your lungs with love, acceptance, gratitude. Thank you, lungs, for bringing oxygen into my body, supporting me with life. Smiling to the lungs. Take a deep breath in. Let go. Moving on to the kidneys. Bending down here. Color's blue. Let's begin. Inhale, fill the body with blue. And release. Inhale. Let go. And for the next four, letting go of any fear in your life, any fear. Inhale up. Letting go of fear. Release. Inhale. Let go. Last two. Inhale. Letting go of fear. Release. And last one. Inhale up. And release. Standing up. Holding the kidneys. Closing the eyes. Smiling to your kidneys within your body. Loving your kidneys. Bringing gratitude, thankfulness to these organs. Filtering water in your body. Loving these organs. Connecting to the virtue of peace in the kidney. Take a deep breath in. Let go. Moving on to the liver, right side, color is green. Let's begin. Inhale up. Leaning to the left, release. Coming around, inhale up. Color is green. Release. Now, we got 4 left. For these next 2, releasing any frustrations in your life. Frustrations. Inhale up. And release. Inhale. Leaning to the left, let go. Last 2, releasing anger. Inhale up. Fill the body with green. Releasing anger. Last one. Inhale. Letting go. Hold in the liver, right side, smiling to the liver. Connecting to the energy of kindness in your liver. Virtue is kindness and generosity. Take a deep breath in. And let go. Moving on to the heart space. Color's red. Let's begin. Inhale up. Filling the body with red. Release at the top. Number 2, inhale. And let go. Now we're going to release any feelings of not good enoughness. Feeling not good enough. Not good enough. All right? I'm going to do 2 of those here. So let's begin. Inhale, fill the body with red. Releasing not good enoughness. Again. Inhale up, fill the body with red. Releasing not good enoughness. Let it go. And for the next 2, releasing any judgments. Feeling judged, judging other people. All this energy. Let it go. Inhale up. And let go. Letting go of judgments. Inhale up. Let go. And for the last 3, releasing hatred. Self-hatred, hatred towards others, any kind of hatred. Let it go. Inhale up. Letting go of hatred. Release. Inhale up. Letting go of hatred. And last one. Release. Holding the heart space. Smiling to your heart space. Bringing love to this part of your body. And take a deep breath in. And let go. Moving into the spleen on the left side here. Let's go, baby. Inhale. And push, release. Color is yellow. Inhale. And release. Now we're going to release any worries from your body. Anything that you have to worry about, releasing any worries, let them go. Inhale. Releasing worry. Inhale again. Releasing worry. Now releasing any mistrust, feeling like you can't trust in life and people, releasing mistrust. Inhale. This is the last two. Let go. And last one. Inhale. And release. Hold in the spleen, stomach area. Smiling to the spleen, stomach. Bringing love to this area of your body. This is the virtue of safety, of trust. Smiling to this part of your body. Bringing this part of yourself love. Take a deep breath in and let go. Last one, triple heater. Color is clear light. Inhale up and let go. Inhale. Release. Inhale up. Releasing any overwhelm from your system. Too much heat trapped in the body. Inhale. Two more. Let go. And last one. Release. Hold in the belly. Smiling to the belly. Smiling to the belly center. Bringing this part of you love, gratitude. And take a deep breath in. And let go. Thank you.